Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Kia Venga. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels and tinted rear windows. You get reverse parking sensors with a rear camera. Now inside the car there's half leather interior with heated front seats. The touchscreen features sat-nav as well as Bluetooth. You also get air conditioning, automatic headlights, there's cruise control. The car is only £30 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. Two-owner vehicle that comes with a 1.6 litre diesel engine. This gives you 114 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done 35,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.